Here now with Dave Anderson. He is the owner of Metal Man. And Dave, what are some of the things that a welding distributor would buy from you?
Well, our most popular thing in welding distributors right now are our welding carts. Our carts have a great fit and finish, and they're very versatile and they're very economical compared to what else is in the market.
Any other products that you guys sell to distributors?
Yeah, we have a full line of welders, both MIG, stick, TIG, multi-process, dual voltage, LCD screens. But our helmets, we're known for our graphics. And that is a big, yeah, like this right here. And so we have a line of graphic helmets, but this is one of the commemorative helmets that we have done. This was done for IWDC Weldmark, and it was to support a Workshops for Warrior campaign that they were doing to help fund them. So this is the second one in the series. It had a ship, I think it was USS Indianapolis or Indiana, and then the other side over here is raising of the flag at Hiroshima. So that is just a touch of it. We do things for other customers also. Like this is a helmet that was done for OISCO, and it was graphics that we had our artists do for 9/11. And so it has, you know, the towers, and then we have another distributor had a 50-year anniversary, Vern Lewis, great customer of ours, and so we worked with them on custom graphics, and they wanted to have something with the Arizona flag, and they've got an amazing culture out in Arizona, and there's pretty strong MOQ on these, but they thought they were bringing in a year's supply, and they sold them through in 4 months. So we work with people to customize it and make it so that it fits their price point.
Wow, way cool. I love the graphics. How about aside from products, is there any, would you say there's any value that you guys bring aside from just the products to a distributor?
Yeah, our big thing is customer service. We have we have a toll-free helpline. We help people through any problems that they've got. We even have programs like a 24-hour repair or replace program, so that if somebody has a welder in the field, we'll first of all try to talk them through any issues that they might have and try to fix it by getting them parts or something like that. But if they really need us to repair it, we just get it shipped to us and we quickly return it.
Excellent. How about anything else here at the booth? I know some of the distributors weren't able to make it to Philadelphia. Anything else here you want to kind of show off to them for those folks at home?
There's a specialty cart here that I'd like to show. These carts usually come fully assembled, welded, and they're really hard to ship. And so this one, it comes in a box. Right here is a connection point. There's 4 bolts right here, and so you take it out of the box. You got the 4 bolts that hold that, and when everything is tight, it is solid. And then there's got just washers, wheels, and cotter pins and an axle, and you're ready to go. And this is especially if somebody's going to be shipping these things around. And we have 2 of them, a small and a medium, and so that's
excellent.
A special idea.
Excellent. Well, thank you so much for the update, Dave. We appreciate everything that you guys do with us throughout the year, and it's always good to see you at these shows.
Okay. Thank you much.
All right.